presence in all different kind of fintech solutions, financial solutions. So if we talk about core banking, so we have a ISV partner called Temenos. So they serve around 1.2 billion customers with their core banking solution. And they have modernized their application, their core banking application called Transact with MongoDB. And that is getting, that is provided as a banking as a service to different financial companies. Similarly, we have the platform Adelaide, Bendigo and Adelaide Bank in Australia, and they are on a journey with us to modernize their core banking application, where we are taking care of changing the entire application, modernizing it, breaking it to microservices, and with the help of AI implementation. So that is something our core team is working with. And along with this core banks, we also have like payment banks. So Macquarie is a payment platform running on MongoDB. We have like trading platforms, just Coinbase. So Coinbase has set up running with MongoDB. So we have a strong presence in this particular. So what makes us suitable for this? Why we talk about MongoDB and why we have that presence? If you look at this particular content, we are talking about different kinds of data requirements. So we have OLTP requirements where we process a lot of transactions. Then we have time series requirements, a lot of payment data comes in. And just think of a use case such as fraud detection. So you need to, let's say payment is happening to a card, and just at the right time, within a few seconds, you have to process that. You have to make sure that like some kind of fraud algorithm that you're running at the back end, that has to validate that payment. And that can be done through like real-time analytics. So we provide, our platform is capable of providing that. Text searches for consumer-facing applications, for even your employees managing the banking application. So text searches are possible. That is available on the platform. Very recently, we launched vector capabilities, implementing GenAI applications. A lot of intelligence that is required because we will be talking about operational improvements, new product capabilities that can be launched with respect to GenAI, with respect to storing vector data and using it for such analysis. We're talking about that, stream processing, again, working on live data. As a platform, we cater to all of these areas, and with this, we are able to provide an end-to-end service to manage your application. So this is a short report, industry report by Celent on technology strategy. And on the y-axis, you will see proportions of banks currently exploring new technologies for POC. And on the x-axis, you will see how many of these do they expect to go in production in next 5 years. These are different technology trends that have been mapped on these parameters. And you can see like GenAI being on the top there. So the stat says that 55% of banks are currently doing POCs related to GenAI. A lot of exploration, and even like we being in the market, we see a lot of exploration, less like use cases being tried on GenAI. And 36% believe that it will have a good impact. So within 5 years, they will have multiple solutions with GenAI which will be in production. So that itself is a very strong trend for any technology, for any new tech innovation. And you can see other tech innovations also in this landscape, and GenAI being one of the most used ones, one of the most advanced ones. Okay. So we do have built multiple solutions, different use cases on their end. So these are few areas which we have been working with customers, and these are very useful, very beneficial solutions that we have been able to build. So if you look at the first, it's about KYC validation. So KYC is, we all have done that, we all have done KYC for ourselves, but it looks like it's a simple process, but there is a lot of depth to it. So if we talk about different documentation that has to be processed, insights that have to be taken from them. And then again, it's a recurring process, not that it's done once. The changing landscape for the corporate customer, understanding their changes in their business, all of that is part of KYC process. So that is where GenAI can play their role. Then we have relationship manager chatbot. So this is also a very wide use case where we talk about a customer having multiple engagements with the bank. So they could be having trading accounts, they could be having like savings account, they would be having loan account. So all of these different segments of engagement that a customer might have. And as a relationship manager, you need to have a full view of what is going on. So AI can play a major role in giving these kind of alerts or whatever is significant. This kind of information can be valid, can be produced by AI, can be provided by AI, GenAI. Again, going through a lot of documentation, customer scenarios, and so third use case is more around ESG investing. So ESG again is a very popular topic in the bank segment these days, where they talk about lots of process and policies related to it. Very recently, there's a regulation in Europe for making sure that ESG data includes banks, investing information includes bank is included in banks investment, whatever they're doing. So ESG is a major part that information is required for the validation of the bank. So that is where again AI can play a major role. And then lastly, payment action control. So payment is again a very broad use case, and we have multiple scenarios. Fraud detection, so geospatial detection and data detection in the case of fraud detection. So covering these use cases, what do we require from a platform perspective, from a data platform perspective? So we see a lot of these involves rich data driven approach. So there is live data that is coming in, and that is the proprietary data of the bank, and we have to do a lot of processing on that. All of this has to happen in real time. We cannot have an offline system. It has to run on as a transaction. Things like that should be brought out in front end. And then thirdly, the responses should be fast. Within 1 second is a very standard thing. We need quick responses, cannot be delayed, there cannot be major latency there. And then again, this has to scale for large number of customers. The kind of scale that we talk in India, that's certainly huge, the kind of base that we have. So that has to scale. Any solution that we think about has to scale to a very large number of people. It has to be right. So now matching to these requirements. So when we talk about the capabilities that we have, so in MongoDB, in our data platform, you can store your app data along with your vector data. So vector data is again used for AI use cases, and I'll show you in the next slide where we talk about how vector data is co-located with the proprietary data. So the app data, the transaction data, is stored along with vector data, so that you can you don't have that kind of delay in processing that and providing insights. With MongoDB, it's a flexible schema, so all different kind of data from different sources can be accommodated there. There's flexibility of schema makes that possible. It's a seamless experience because with a single API, you can query all different kinds of data. So in my second slide, I talked about geospatial data, time series data, streaming data. So all of that can be queried using a single API, the MongoDB query language. And then in terms of security, so everything that we talk about security is available in enterprise-grade security services and provided by the platform. And rather, we are at the forefront of cryptography. So we recently launched something called as variable encryption, variable field level encryption. So where your encrypted data, your field level encrypted data, PII data, on that also you can perform queries, which is not a very simple task. It's not an easy task, and is difficult to achieve. So we have put in a team for a lot of research, and they have come up with like equality matches or range and like interest rate fees. So just to bring about like how AI can be enabled through MongoDB. So this is an high-level architecture. So when we talk about any AI solution, so there will be a prompt that will be provided. That prompt is something like a user input. Now the user input cannot be directly used for AI comparison or meaningful searches. So that has to be converted into vector data. There will be some embedding model happening to that conversion. Okay. And then will happen LLM. So LLM is the brain, is the knowledge source, where it will do all those comparisons. But very often we see that LLM is not aware of our business data, our business model. So what we have is like you can provide your context and convert, like you can put it in vector data and store it along with your business data in MongoDB. And once a prompt comes in, with a combination of these two data sets, you are taking the So this is what is a RAG architecture, retrieval augmented generation architecture. And this is something that is required to get any business intelligence meaningful response from an AI app. So this is the high-level architecture, and our team is here available at the second floor. We have a booth there. Feel free to reach out to us for any queries. And with that, we'll end the session. And feel free to meet us around.